Hi, I'm Peter from BANBOSH Studio, and I have another round of updates for you. But before we get into it, you may have noticed that my AI avatar has suspiciously perfect waves. And that's not a coincidence. He is basically a one-to-one copy of me, so of course he has exactly the same hairstyle that I wear in real life. And believe me, these waves are not just for show. They are actually connected to my second world, something I do not talk about here that often. Besides developing apps and games, I also work in the professional hair care industry. We cooperate with high-quality hair salons and with Italian brands that are among the best in their field. It is a completely different world from programming, but I enjoy it just as much. And I will be honest with you, this second project is one of the reasons why some of our new apps and games are taking a little longer than expected. I simply have more things on my table right now than would normally fit into one summer. In the previous video, I showed you several new projects we are working on. And I want to reassure you, we have not forgotten about any of them. All of those projects are still moving forward, but at the same time, we are also working on one more major thing. We are not only creating new apps and games, we are also working on bringing our existing portfolio to a much wider audience. And that is exactly why we are preparing our apps and games for the App Store as well. This means that iPhone and iPad users will soon be able to enjoy projects that are currently available mainly on Google Play. Specifically, this includes BANBOSH Football, Mini Soccer, Hungry Queen, BANBOSH, Interactive Live Wallpaper, and also the app Účtenka. For us, this is an important step forward. We do not want our apps to be available only to one group of users. We want everyone to be able to try them, whether they use Android, iPhone, or iPad. And this expansion to the App Store is also one of the reasons why some updates and new releases are taking a little more time. It is not just about quickly moving something from one platform to another. Every app has to be adjusted, checked, tested, and prepared properly so that it works reliably in Apple's environment. The good news is that this step will help us bring our whole portfolio together. And all new projects that we release in the future will be prepared for both platforms from the start. Google Play, and the App Store. That is a much better direction for us. Users will not have to wait and wonder whether a new app will come only to Android or only to iPhone. Our goal is for new apps and games from BANBOSH Studio to be available to everyone right from the beginning. At the same time, we are also working on a completely new and quite large CRM system. And this is not just another simple app. It is a complex business system designed to make everyday work much easier for us and for the people and companies we work with. It will help with customer management, orders, pricing, exports, communication, and many other things that currently take a lot of time. The goal is to make everything clearer, faster, and easier to work with. But because this system is so extensive and has to work together with other apps and processes, it is a serious amount of work. We do not want to rush it. We want it to work exactly the way it should. And as if that were not enough, we are also developing business systems for other companies. Every company has slightly different needs. Every company solves something specific, and every solution has to be adapted to how that company actually works. I have to say that this summer has turned out to be much busier than we originally expected. But I see that as a good sign. It means there is interest in our work, and that what we are building makes sense to people. At the same time, we are finishing a project I am truly proud of, a complete technical manual for the brand pH Laboratories. It is a practical tool made directly for hairdressers. Inside, they will find information about product systems, technical procedures, shades, recommendations, and how to work with individual products. Everything is clear, understandable, and in one place. I believe this manual will make work much easier for all hairdressers who already work with pH Laboratories, as well as those who are just about to start. We want them to feel confident, supported, and to always have all important information within reach. And now, a small bonus at the end. We have an almost finished new game that combines a classic crossword with a puzzle. And honestly, when I have a moment during the day and need to clear my head, I sit down and play it just for myself. It is easy to understand, addictive, fun, and it helps you switch off beautifully. It is exactly the kind of game you open for a few minutes and suddenly realize you have been playing much longer than you planned. So you definitely have something to look forward to. I believe that all these projects will bring you not only fun, but also real value. Whether we are talking about apps, games, business systems, or tools for professionals, we always try to build things that truly help people. And finally, a huge thank you. Thank you for all the support you give us. For every comment, like, share, and message. We truly appreciate it, and it is the best motivation for us to keep going. I wish you a beautiful, calm, and sunny summer holiday, and I will see you again soon.